So in this lesson, we're gonna be looking at how to use improvised weapons. So Cynthia, what do you see here as improvised weapons that you can use?
Chairs, table, candles.
How can you use them?
Throwing them his way.
Throwing them. So you have three types of improvised weapons. The first one is static, which means, let's say the table, you can't actually pick it up. But what could the table do? The table could create distance between me and my attacker, that if he's coming and he's talking to me and he's here, well, just me moving around the table creates distance between me and him, right? The second type of improvised weapon I could use is projectile. Everything here, I just start throwing candles, throwing them on the floor, anything to break his distance from coming in close. It's slowing him down and being able to keep him back and stop him from moving in. The third type of improvised weapon is dynamic. Dynamic is what can I pick up and use. So if I'm moving around the table, I'm throwing stuff. The next thing you know, I'm abusing the chair. He pushes the chair. I use the chair and I smack him with it. So those are the three different type of improvised weapons. And this is why it's so important to know your environment. So yes, we're gonna look at how to use pepper spray or a tactical pen, but your environment is there. And you need to know, depending if you're in the kitchen, maybe you're showing a bathroom, maybe you're in the living room, dining room. It's being able to train and be able to see everything that is around you, to be able to use it right away. If you don't train it, if you don't study it, if you don't know how to use it, you won't think of it in the moment. And the objective of throwing stuff, picking up stuff is what? Is getting out.
Making things difficult for him to get to you.
Absolutely. So whatever you see, you start throwing, you're screaming, you're stopping him from going close. And as you're doing it, what's the objective?
Making it difficult for him to get to you.
And next?
Escape.
Escape. It's always about escape. I mean, it's really important for you ladies to know that the objective is not for you to go to hand. The objective of the lesson is for you to slow him down, stop him, deter him, use whatever you can in your environment, and get out as quickly as possible.